Welcome to... We're in Georgetown at the moment and it's stunning. And we're just sat down here for lunch. I think we're getting some Malaysian food. We haven't got any SIM cards yet, so we can't translate anything or check anything. So we kind of just gambled what lunch is. Not entirely sure what I've got. Ollie's looks good. Ollie's really struggling with this food.
Well, this looks like ketchup.
It's spicy sauce.
Turns out it's chili sauce and shit with spice. But it tastes quite good, so I'm just going to power through it.
Got a rainbow ice cream from shop over here. It was only 5 ringgit, which is like £1. It's actually really nice.
It's because it's just liquid flavouring. Look at it dripping.
I like the top flavour.
It's just pure heart attack. We woke up a bit late today and then had to go do some washing and stuff like that. So we got like half a day. It's literally full of street art. So we're just gonna, it's all over the place. We're in like Chinatown or something at the minute. But this street art is literally everywhere. So we're gonna go and search for all of that on foot. It's very warm.
And I got this rice ball. It's melted a bit now. But there's ice cream in it. I didn't know that.
So all of this started because the government let some Lithuanian artist do 6 murals around the town just to like help promote shops and give it a bit more life around here. And I think everyone's just jumped on the bandwagon and kept it going. Now there's hundreds of them around here. I think this is like one of the most famous ones. It's literally just at the end of this street.
I'm trying to get Ollie to get a caricature with me. It's only like, how much is that? £4?
No.
Bargain.
It's like 5 o'clock now. We've been searching for all of this stuff for like 4 hours. But we're gonna go to the tower and go on a rainbow skywalk in a bit. Just come to get our laundry. The size of that comparison next to my hand. Oh my goodness. Can't even walk properly.
We're on our way to the Rainbow Skywalk now, and we're not sure if it's shut, like last entry's 7 or not. We should just make it anyway, it's 1:45, but we had to rush getting ready. I was gonna like properly shower, get all ready. We didn't have time for that, did we?
We also don't have tickets. So we're just gambling on turning up, being allowed in.
Hello there. We're on the 65th floor, the observatory deck. That's all we've done so far.
Quite a nice view.
Quite.
Yeah, well, it's going to go full 360 panoramic. We haven't gone around it. So I'll keep you updated on how that one looks. You can pay extra to walk around
The outside of it.
the outside of it on that little deck.
There's like zip wires and stuff as well.
There's a weight limit of 70 kilo per person. Because I'm built like a brick shithouse, obviously I weigh more than that, so we can't do it. That is Penang Bridge that connects Penang to the rest of Malaysia. I didn't realise quite how far away it is. I think we timed it quite well that we're going to be up on the sky bridge whilst the sun's setting.
Wow, this would be a well nice place to eat. Thank you, sir. Oh, I can see the sunset.
We are on the bridge with like a 270-degree view.
It's beautiful. We checked the restaurant menu and it's not crazy expensive, to be fair. Like pasta was like £8–9 depending what you want, but we're just gonna wait and get something cheaper downstairs because we've spent quite a lot today, considering we had to buy like a SIM card with 4G. Oh, we did our washing.
Oh yeah.
And that was like, how much? A tenner? £5 each?
£8.
Something like that. So it just adds to the budget of the day.
We came back round in the night, when it's darker. We're gonna get some food.
We've decided to come to a Korean barbecue place because Ollie's the fussiest person in the entire world, and we went into about 16 restaurants and none of them would do something he wanted. I mean, I don't mind because I'll eat anything. But this one won't bloody eat Malaysian food. So the next 3 weeks we're in for a bloody treat, aren't we?
Kerry's ordered half the menu though, so...
No, we haven't. We're sharing. Altogether, how much is it? Like £16?
£16, £8 each. That's a bloody bargain.
I mean, it's not super cheap, but it's not crazy expensive either.
She's forcing me to eat more of the chicken.
Yeah, we can't leave that much.
I'm full. Now I'm having to eat chicken I don't want.
I just feel bad, but I literally can't eat anymore. We've just gone back from dinner, so I'll catch you in the morning. Wow, now it's the morning. We're gonna go find a motorbike first, and then we're going to Penang Hill and Habitat.
We forgot it was a Sunday today. First bike place is shut. Now we've got a 10-minute walk to the next one, which will probably be shut. And then we're in a world of trouble. We went to about 5 bike shops.
No, we didn't.
Well, we went to a couple.
3.
They're all full. Told us we had to wait an hour, so we came here into this bakery called Rainforest Bakery and got some food to wait.
And how much did it cost?
It cost 22 ringgit.
Which
is about £5.20.
£4.20.
£4.20.
Now, hopefully, they've got a bike for us because it's 10 to 2. So we went back and they said no bike at 2. Why tell us a bike at 2 then?
Just hanging around. We just come up to the Habitat on Penang Hill.
Yeah.
Like a rainforest experience, I think.
I think so.
So we're just gonna walk around.
It costs, how much did it cost to get up here in the first place?
Don't know, £6 each, £4 each, £4 each.
You have to get a cable cart thing up the hill, and then when you get to the top, if you want to do this experience, it's 60 ringgit each, which is like £12. And it says it lasts a couple hours though. Depends how fast you walk around it.
We didn't get any food before we started this. We haven't eaten since we had a little pastry at what, like 12?
Later than that.
Half 12? And it's now, what's the time?
10 to 4.
It's now 10 to 4. And we got like an hour or two of walk around here now. Embark on our journey on the Langgar Way Canopy Walk. As the name might suggest, we're in the canopy layer of this rainforest, or fake rainforest. I think it's a real rainforest, Kerry said.
Why would it be?
Kerry's normally right. We're about to go on a treetop walk up there. Hoping we see a bit more up there. Because it's cool down here, but there's not much wildlife.
I feel like we're probably not the best people to spot it though.
Yeah. It's quite the view. There you go, sir. Excuse me, is that yours? There's been a change of plan because our Grab driver told us that today's the last day of Chinese New Year and there's an event festival thing going on just by where we're staying.
We're hoping to find some Chinese food for something like that for dinner. We're not super hungry because we ate quite late, but it was shit, so I'm hoping let's find some good Chinese food.
Starting properly like blowing up now.
That's what I want to try.
Ah, sugar coated balls.
That's me. I like it.
What is it? Just sugar coated fruit?
No, it's hard.
What? Thunder now too? Oh yeah. Call that up a bit early. Just shitting it down now. We're gonna go order some food and hide in our hotel room. Entopia.
We're at the butterfly park. This one was just on the floor and then it crawled onto my hand.
It flew into those.
And I think it's hurt itself.
Kerry's rescued it.
I haven't done much. Oh, Aww.
Chosen me now.
Chosen. So we just walked in Entopia, the butterfly farm, but I think at first it's like an insect bit, or reptiles maybe.
This is wicked already. It was £15 each to get in.
Yeah,
I thought it was a tenner, but I looked at the wrong thing because we're not Malaysian. So
it was 75 ringgit.
75 ringgit each, which is so far a bargain because we've had a butterfly on our hand. This crazy little thing eats birds. By the size of it, I'm assuming like bald eagles. It's like a open air building. With its own waterfall.
Loads of fish. Come have a look.
As is our luck, it started raining quite a lot. And there's no roof, so we're hiding. I've just spotted one that's been wiped out by the rain. Let's see if we can save him. Got him out of the rain, he's got a broken wing. We got an hour ride to the temple in this.
We're at, what's it called?
Don't know.
Kek Lok Si Temple.
Something like that.
There's something going on because well, it was Chinese New Year, the last day yesterday, so it's probably Chinese New Year's Day. So there's like a big ceremony, yeah, prayers. Ollie's not very happy because he's drenched.
I just wrung all of my clothes out and they're just dripping.
I'm all dry though. So I think you can pay 2 ringgit to go up there, but Ollie's not very comfortable and he keeps scratching his ass. So I think we're just gonna head back and go get dry, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go! Good morning! We're heading to the Clan Jetties now, which is...
So all loads of buildings on stilts.
Yeah, and it's got like, it's mainly shops. So we're gonna head there, have a little look around, and then get some food as well.
I think there's 2 different street arts on these jetties. Folklore by the sea. This is, that's the kind of stilts that this whole thing is on. It's like a long walkway full of little shops, and cafes, food, souvenirs. Found this spot for lunch, Double Nut Cafe. Walking around for a while, so hot. Gonna go here, hope it's good. And it's really cool in here.
I got chicken fajita wrap with some chips, peach iced tea. Then Ollie got chicken cordon bleu.
Yeah.
Then he had a hot chocolate, but that's gone.
Warm, so I downed it.
We've come to Wheeler's for like brunch. I got a matcha latte, and then Ollie got, what did you get, flat white?
Yeah, with vanilla.
Yum. Ollie got shot egg santés with chips, and then we've got chicken bites to share, and then what I had is, they haven't got it, so I'm having it.
What you've had is a fucking night.
I've got a chicken quesadilla coming. Yum! And that's the end of our Penang vlog. I didn't actually end up filming what I got for lunch, but it was just a quesadilla. It was really nice. Overall, we loved Penang. It was so much better than I expected. Not that I had low expectations, I just didn't actually know much about Malaysia at all. And Penang was such a lovely way to start the trip. We are currently in the Penang Islands, which isn't the next vlog, but it's the vlog after that. So stay tuned for that, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!